Let's talk about Android 16's hand-on video, the Material 3 expressive theme, starting with the new features, the new quick setting features where you can now resize the tiles. The resizing options are limited, but the way of arranging the tiles is better than earlier. Here is cross option to unclick any option and a undo button if you accidentally cross anything. Now, there are much better features in the app drawer where you are now getting a bubble from app drawer instead of a full frame, and the Google logo is now integrated with the wallpaper. The option in the quick tile setting is now changed so you can easily access the double-handed or single-handed features. And talking about the setting app, it's where I like it the most in terms of practicality, because the tiles of the setting menus are totally separate from each other, and the bar where you turn on and off the setting each have a right and cross option. That's much more useful now. The quick setting option is now better. The charging pill is now colored so you can understand it properly. There is some changes in the sound option too. In the lock screen, the changes are not more, I can say it's mostly copied, or you can say inspired by Samsung, because the wallpaper, the most important thing that, or the most attractive thing, the animation on the wallpaper, it is clearly copied from Samsung. You can get it in the Good Luck app from Samsung now. But I can say they implement it very well. The animation is very good and smooth, and you can also get the weather information, like if it is raining, then you can get rain in your screen, and they also include it in the home screen. So after you unlock the phone, you can also get it for some time, and you can obviously change the intensity as you want. Talking about next, we are now have better animations. You can already see the unlock animation is very much good now. The quick tiles, swipe, etc. are very good. You can get many bubble animation in the UI that looks very good, like quick tiles or notification. Even when you turn on and off any tile or network setting, you can definitely see it there. There are much more features that Google promised us that will come all on Android phone with Android 16, but we don't get any preview on them. One thing is clear, they are going to switch it from a bolder color for Gen Z liking. The apps that Google integrate the Material 3 Express theme share some options, but there are third-party apps, so we have to see if they do it or not. There are other options like turn off notification, fingerprint search, and also modes and routines, that is also a copy from Samsung. You can also see some other things like copied from Apple, the quick notification or progress bar in the home screen and lock screen. There is also text mode coming on the Android 16, so it's also a copied version from Samsung, but it can be better because Google is going to integrate their other features with this, and all app might get bubble from opening that is lacking in the previous update. So what do you think? Let me know in the comment. I think that after a long time Google is going to change the Android, and it's very much practical and useful now. From Android 15 the update is huge because the total theme is going to be changed. But I might prefer the older solid colors more than the new Gen Z liking. If you like the video, like, share and subscribe.